So yeah, guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start in video without having any further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 22nd December 2024 of the day 382. So in this video, what is actually happened, I'm going to tell you. So today I wake up and after some time later, I went to the ground floor, and after that I came first floor. Basically throughout the whole day, I have not done too much thing if I tell you seriously. And after that again, I went to the ground floor, and after that I've taken bath, and after that I came first floor. And at evening I went to the ground floor. I ate food, and after some time later, I came first floor. I used phone, and after some time later, I went for the sleep. So basically, guys, that is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understand this video. If you have really understand this video, then kindly please likes it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. And one thing I just only want to request is that if you found any kind of mistakes, like whenever I speak in English like any grammatical mistakes or any English error mistakes, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section. I'll really try to improve it very soon. Right. So what should I do today? Um, Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about most oldest serial, right, in India. So I'm gonna to search in Google most oldest serial in India, right? Okay, okay. Here is I've written it here. Basically, from I also used to watch the serials whenever it. So my parents and my sister tries to watch. Also, I was there. That's why I used to watch there. So here is showing so much oldest serial like 67, 1967, 1985, so much. But at the period of 2000, 10, 11, 12, like that, 13, 14, 15, like that serial I can say. But here is so many old. So let's take a name. Krisi Darshan aired on DD National starting in 1967. The Hindi show is one of the longest running television programs in India. It has aired more than 16,000 episodes. It has 16,000 episodes. Krisi Darshan. Okay, so longest running television programs in India. It has aired more than 16,000 episodes. This is not a joke. Okay, it has 16,000 episodes. My gosh, right? The next is Hum Log, a kind of serials aired on Doordarshan from 1984 to 1985. This was India's first television drama. Okay, it had 154 episodes and was the longest running serial at the time. Okay, on that period of time, this is one of the longest video. But I have some doubt that the Kirisi Darshan is started in 1967 and it has 16,000 episodes. But Hum Log, the serial, is started and to the 1984 to 1985, and that was the first television drama. Okay, here is showing, but that is also already pre-release. That is also 1967, that is started Krisi Darshan. So basically it is a kind of drama, maybe we can say, and that is something different, Krisi Darshan, right? So next is Chitrahar aired in 1982. This show featured song sequence from Bollywood films. It has aired more than 12,000 episodes. Rangoli, a music program that started in 1989 and has aired more than 11,500 episodes. And the next is Sare Gama Pa. It started aired on GTV in 1995. Okay. Some other old serials on DD National include Vikram or Betal 1985, Bunyad 1986, Malguri Days 1986. Yeah, basically nowadays, in some days, in some months before, basically I used to watch Malguri Days videos with my family. Then Ramayana 1987 to 1988, Bharat Ek Khoj 1998, Mahabharat 1988 to 90, Circus 1989, Byomkesh Bakshi 1993, Shaktiman 1997 to 2005. Okay, okay. Which Indian serial is number one? The latest rankings for India's most watched TV shows has been released and Anupama remains firmly in the lead. This show has consistently dominated the top position since its premiere despite occasional dips in viewership numbers. Okay, so yeah, basically here is all about um, in 20s, right? In 20s, most 20 serial name. Okay, so here are some popular Hindi TV shows from the late 1990s and early 2000s. Okay, Sararat is so about uh, Jia's college life and her family's attempts to fix it. Hatim, a fantasy and action drama about a prince who goes on adventures to find answers to seven questions. Charisma ka charisma, a show about a life like robot who is more like a young girl. Charisma. Khichdi, a show about a Gujarati family dealing with their everyday problems in an unusual way. Here are some other notable Hindi TV shows. Hum Log, India's first TV drama which aired from 1989 to 1985, and Krisi Darshan, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, okay, the longest running Indian daily sitcom with over 4028 episodes. Anupama, a consistently top rated show. Okay, here is all about. If I talk about the Saath Nibhana Satya, tell me something about Saath Nibhana Satya. So, okay, cousins Gopi and Rasi get married into the small family irrespective of their mutual differences. Gopi's mother-in-law, the apparently strict Kokila, then transforms her into a woman of substance. Okay, the first episode of this came on 3rd May 2010, and final episode was it 23rd July 2017. Okay, it is around uh, more than 7 years this is run, right? And number of episodes 2181. Okay, and one we used to watch this serial, and one of the show also, that is Diya or Bati Hum. I'm just telling that which kind of serial which is I used to watch with my family, that kind of serials. Sandhya, an educated woman, wishes to become an IPS officer. However, despite the stiff opposition from her in-laws, she is able to achieve her dream with the help of her husband Suraj. Right. So basically, here is all about. And or more serial. If I tell you, we used to watch. I used to watch with my family. That is, uh, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, ये है मोहब्बतें, and Udan, and yeah, these all are the most of the serials are now closed, and they are running to their generation to generation in present time maybe, but nowadays we are not watching, but like this. And a kind of Bhotu, a kind of name serial was also there. And or more if I talk about yes, I think most of the thing I have already told about it, and Kundali Bhagya, Kumkum Bhagya like this. And but now we are not watching any kind of serials, and we are not addicted to any kind of serials, right? So basically, on that time, we used to watch, right? But nowadays, we are have so much responsibilities here, then so that we can't continue that kind of serials, right? So I think that guys, it is enough for today. So let's end the video. I see Radhe. Bye bye.